What's up guys, Xavier here from the future, and I just wanted to give you a little update or just let you guys know what is going on in this video, because I think that it might be self-explanatory, but I didn't actually vlog a lot in this video, like personally vlogging, because I wanted to show respect to the locals and their community, and also Whang Od herself and her great nieces. So it was more or less just shooting around and what we did, and not so much just having the camera out there and vlogging the whole time. But I'm so pumped to share this with you guys, and I'm so excited to edit this. This was an amazing experience, and I'm so happy I got the chance, or we got the chance to do it. And I hope you guys are as excited as I was to get it, to do this. And I definitely want to go back. So I hope you guys enjoy. We're here, but we got here before the bus left, and in Manila, beating traffic is all it's about.
Yeah. So we made it. We're good. You excited?
How do you get on the bus? On top of JOBY right now. It's just a stopover for the time. We get back on the road. Just needed to stand for a minute. But it's been a little confusing, but pretty good. So you guys want to get back on the road? So we just got dropped off the jeepney and got our guide. Maximum, I think his name is. He's gonna take us and I'm super excited about that. I'm sorry if this is quiet, but yeah, there's a big pig, a big fat pig right over there. But yeah, I'm super pumped, and when we get on the way, we'll let you get down. Alright. So we're into our hike a little bit, and yeah, it's a little exhausting, but we're getting there. The scene's beautiful, so a lot of work for a lot of reward. So we got here, and it's pretty incredible. I'm not really sure what is going on and what the plan is, but we're here, and I'm gonna go eat some food. So yeah.
Baka 10:30, 11. Paglaki na nalilin.
Gusto na.
Ginagawa niya.
That was just a machine.
Take a picture like us.
Are you from here? No. No? Where are you from? Okay. From
One woman.
what? Yeah, one woman.
And there's also
Yeah, that's fine. Tattoo.
And this
Tattoo. And a teeny tiny little can of, focus. Hang on. Little teeny tiny can of, damn it,
That's not a can, damn it.
Red Horse. Here. Oh, there you go.
And then we have this view to enjoy our beers with.
What do you have for dinner today? Fish? Fried fish?
So we got some tattoos, and we decided to stay here next night, so we will be here 2 nights. Tonight and tomorrow night. Ralph got up here for today, but then we sent him away. Maybe come back on Sunday or Wednesday, I mean. Now we just made some friends and we're just hanging out, listening to reggae music because apparently that's what I do. And gonna have some chicken adobo in a little bit. So I'm really excited because I'm hungry. I know Rachel's hungry either. You're hungry?
What did we order?
Chicken adobo.
Because we didn't finish until
no one will move up from horror justice. And we know
It's cold as like a thick, wet. Tulgawis. Yeah, that's my favorite. More than a week for one
Naiwan.
Sanay na ako walang partner.
Kamusta naman ang pag-usa at ibabaw ng jeep?
Ang lalaki ng mata niyo.
Yeah.
we don't very often look at
Made it. Made it now. We're just waiting to head back to Bontoc on top of this jeepney, and then from there, we're gonna try to get a ride back to Manila on the same bus line we got here with. So, yeah. We both need showers, but tattooed. Did our exercise for a month, and yeah. So I'll talk to you guys when we get a shower. All right, bye. you guys liked that. It was an amazing experience, and I enjoyed it immensely. Like, this is a couple weeks later, and heals up pretty well. And just a pro tip: if you ever want to go there, if you are wanting to get a tattoo on a part of your body that has hair on it, shave that part before you get there. Shave it yourself, because the razor they use is like an old Gillette. It's not really that good. Rachel had one, so we used hers. But I would definitely recommend shaving it before you get there, so that doesn't even have to be an issue you have to deal with. But all in all, for us to get 2 tattoos apiece, cost us $75 US, and it was about 300 pesos a night for both of us to stay there, which is nothing. And I think the most expensive part of that whole trip was the bus ride there and the bus ride back. I didn't show much of the bus ride back because we ended up on the slow bus, not the direct bus, and that took us like twice the amount of time it would have taken us on the direct bus. If you're also planning on going there, book a round trip for the direct bus. The direct bus was great. It was fun, other than the person's seat right in my knees, but other than that, it was very, very good. I would recommend booking the direct back. But thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.